Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Auto Chris here at Junge Automotive in Hiawatha, Iowa. And right now I'm standing outside of a brand new Mazda CX-5. Now, I don't know if you guys know this at all or not, but a lot of the new Mazdas come standard with rain sensing wipers. It depends on the model and the trim. Now, rain sensing wipers are amazing when you're out there driving around. It starts raining and your wipers automatically come on. For example, like we have a bottle of water right here. Here we are. It's starting to rain. Boom, they automatically come on. But the problem is though, is Chris, how do I turn these on or off? And also, how do I turn these off when I go through the car wash? So let me show you guys right now how to turn that on or off. All right, so here we are right inside the vehicle now. If you guys guessed it, you guessed correctly. We come over to the wiper stick, all right? You're gonna see right here, we have a couple of options. That's gonna be mist, off, auto, low, and high. So if you put it all the way up, it's gonna go once, wipe once, it's on off. If you go down one notch, whoop, it's on auto, then so on and so on. So you guys get the point. So right now it's set to auto. So if it starts raining, if I go through the car wash, guess what? Your wipers are gonna start going. Now, before you go through the car wash, simply just pull it up once, and then now they're off. So when you go through, your wipers aren't going while in the car wash, all right? So there it is, how to turn those on or off. Thanks again, guys. See you in the next video.